There you go, bud. Hopefully this will help you out here. That's what I did. Okay, this here, I'll hook the LEDs up to it and they go over here. A little plastic spot for them to sit in. Use the LED. Make sure you get it to where they don't short out on this metal here, because it'd be a pain in the butt. I gotta go through and finalize it, but it worked. Got a brown wire here. This brown wire comes off this relay. Give you an idea about where it's at. Here's the one for the speakers. Here's the fuses for the speakers. So the relay over here was actually for these outlets in the back. You know what I'm talking about? 2 outlets back here. Well, they're not switched on this one no more, because I took this wire here and the neutral wire, the hot and neutral, positive, negative, whatever you want to call it, and I hooked it up. These little phone chargers, and a little USB wire. That's how I got that to work. That way, I only got 5 volts, so I don't have too much voltage coming over here. I was going to try using this. This is the actual wire for the lights. But I went ahead and put this new cord here. It's a 3-prong. Brought it in there, some thick wire I used. I ran this over here. Okay, you got the wire down here. This is the hot wires coming in. Insulate them a little bit. Hook the ground back here. And the light turned off. So I ran these ones here over to the plug now, so the plug's hot all the time. As soon as you plug the unit in, this plug back there hot all the time. All that back. Okay, turn the light off so I can show you the LEDs lit up. Give you an idea. This one's, so that's why I gotta fix it. There you go. That's it. And I got the tuner over here. Same thing with the tuner. I just came off of where it had juice. That little bulb. I found this here, rigged it up in there. I had to cut this out a little bit with a little grinding tool. Little grinder wheel. And this lights up too. Stick out the way. I'm gonna take this antenna here. The wires coming in over here. Just extend them a little bit, get a longer antenna. It's not really long, you know? It's about a foot away from there. Show you it all lit up. Alright. This tuner goes to it. The match. Alright, when you turn them on, there we go, and it's all lit up like it should. Most of the people, this is what theirs look like. And down here, you know, the lights go out down here, so it's dark. That's all you do, man, just get the LED. Stick in there. Look at that. Looks like they was brand new. Simple trick. I'm sure you got a cell phone charger laying around somewhere. A little USB cord somewhere. Everybody's got something like that laying around. I got speakers everywhere in here. Just got done moving. Joys of moving. So then I got this one back here you can put back here, use it as a phone charger or whatever. But that's that. Finalize this. We're good to go. Give you an idea of what I've done to it so far. I have got a little crazy with it. Went through and redid all the solder joints. Actually had to replace one of the outputs. And that's it. I'll show you it all hooked up, playing, banging away. It's a really nice tongue there. Alright, till the next one.